mga tao. Isa na naman pasabog at trending yun para sa inyo. Like you, Joy, I heard that you are a doctor. Are you a practicing doctor or a professional doctor?
I finished actually my postgraduate internship and for board exam na po this October. So that's why I joined Tomboy Philippines kasi it's about time na makita nila na may nararating din ang isang tomboy na katulad ko.
Sabi mo kanina, it's not us being just a parang tomboy lang. Parang may sinasabing tomboy. But you are now what? What kind of specific doctor are you?
General physician pa lang po and for licensure pa lang po this October po.
That's nice. A very nice history of yours. You naman, Smile from Quezon City. What do you think it takes to be a Tomboy Philippines Season 2 grand winner?
For me, just be yourself, of course. Number one yun. Just be yourself. Simply be yourself. Yun lang talaga.
Pampanga, you traveled all the way from Pampanga to Manila just to compete here. Hindi pa naman competition itself, but it's just parang launching pa lang and sashing of Tomboy Philippines. What do you think will make this season 2 better? Better than season 1?
Actually, better naman po lahat. Lahat naman tayo nagbigay ng effort natin from season 1, from year 1. But for this time, mas maraming pasabog po tayo. Eh, mas maraming kaabang-abang na gagawin namin for this year. Eh, sana manood po kayo sa amin lahat and supportan niyo lahat ng candidate namin kasi lahat kami may mga inanda para sa inyo lahat. Thank you.
Ano po ang kaabang-abang, Mr. G, Caloocan City? Ano ang dapat namin abangan? Kasi nanos from the start up till the finish of season 1, we witnessed it. Pasabog kung pasabog. So, ano ang dapat namin abangan sa season 2? Kasi
Ayan, no? So, magandang hapon sa lahat. Yung dapat nating abangan is, makikita niyo po rito yung mga pinaghirapan ng bawat candidates ng Tomboy Philippines. Yung karamihan po sa amin is from scratch talaga. Walang kaalam-alam, hindi alam kung paano mag-pageant. As in, dito po kami nag-build lahat-lahat, lalong-lalo na yung confidence po namin.
talking about confidence, sa palagay mo, Bulacan, sino ang mas guwapo? Season 1 o Season 2?
Siyempre, pagtatanggol ko yung mga kasabay ko na season 2!
Laman ka sa season 1, baka judge yun.
Pero siyempre, hindi namin mararating to kung hindi dahil sa kanila. Dahil isa sila sa pinaka-inspirasyon namin sa mga ginagawa namin ngayon. Gusto namin silang tularan. Dahil lahat ng mga ginawa nila is nakapagbigay sa amin ng lakas ng loob para may ipakita kung ano man yung mga gusto namin ipakita at i-share sa mga tao. Kaya maraming salamat po. Supportahan niyo po kami. Season 2, Tomboy Philippines.
Congratulations in advance and good luck to your joining here at Tomboy Philippines Season 2. Thank you so much. Thank you po.